Welcome to Love Vegan Kitchen, and this week we're going to be making a vegan chicken and cashew nut stir fry using this block of extra firm tofu to make our chicken replacement. So we're going to simply add to this bowl some cornstarch, some powdered garlic. You can use some powdered onion as well if you want, and a pinch of salt and pepper. So let's add the ingredients first. Just chuck them roughly in the bowl. One crack of pepper, add a little salt, give them a mix up. Then we're going to break up our tofu into rough chunks to look like our chicken replacement. This doesn't have to be with any finesse whatsoever, so just rip off bits. There we go, it's going to get roughly stir fried. Coat them in the mixture of onion, garlic, and then just going to pop them onto a lined baking sheet like this and pop them in the oven. So once we've got all of our chicken replacement battered and on the tray ready to go, we're going to pop this into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for approximately 30 minutes. Then we're going to come back, prep the rest of the veg, jump over to the hob and get cooking. Now our tofu chicken is out of the oven, all crisped up and ready to go. If you want to prep this a day before, you can, and just leave it in the fridge until you're ready to cook. For the rest of the ingredients, we've got 3 bell peppers cut up into chunks. This is going to add a nice vibrant colour to our dish. We have some red onion, we have some spring onions cut into strips, we have some sweet soy sauce, some mushroom sauce, and normally this dish would be made with an oyster sauce, so we're using these as our replacement. If you're finding this a little too sweet, you can add some light soy sauce. Today we're going to add just a pinch of salt. And we have some cashew nuts. You can use raw or roasted, whichever is your preference. For our garnish, then we have a few carrot flowers and a little bit of green to top. Today you're going to be serving this dish with some rice, which is already on the hob cooking. So we're going to get all of the ingredients, jump over to the hob and finish preparing this dish. So we're going to start off by adding our tofu chicken chunks to the pan. We're going to cook these for about 2 minutes, just fry them up to get them started before we add the veggies. Okay, so once we've had our tofu chicken chunks cooking for a couple of minutes, we're going to add the veg to the pan as well. We're going to add in all of our bell peppers, fry these up with the red onion and the spring onion. I'm going to cook these up for about 5 minutes before adding the sauce. Okay, so we're just going to add in our sauces now. Our veggies are half cooked. It's looking really good. Just going to add a little pinch of salt. There we go. Give it all a good mix and fry it up for a few more minutes. So once all your chicken and veg are looking really good, you just want to add in your cashew nuts. This is obviously a personal preference. I really love cashew nuts, so I'm just going to add quite a few in there. You can add as many as you like. No rules for this dish. Then just cook it down until you're happy with it, the consistency. If you like your veg a little crispy like me, you don't have to overcook this dish. You can still eat it with your veg just lightly cooked, so your chicken and your veg are nice and crunchy. So this is our vegan chicken and cashew nut veg stir fry, already cooked up and ready to go. All that remains now is to serve it up and enjoy. Let's get a good dose of these veggies in here. Nice chunky chicken. This is going to be really nice. right on the side there. Can add a little bit of decoration from the carrot flowers we made earlier. Pop in a little garnish, and we're ready to go. All that's left now is to do a taste test, so let's see how it is. Okay. We're ready to go. So there we have it. Vegan chicken cashew nut stir fry. Easy to make, absolutely delicious. Do try this at home. Tag us on Instagram if you make it, we'd love to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week with another video. Today we're going to be serving this with rice, which is already sweet soy sauce. Sweet soy sauce. We're good to go? One take. Alright, you ready?